In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly customize your product page on Wix, ensuring it perfectly reflects your brand and enhances your customers' shopping experience. Let's get started with these straightforward steps. First, you'll need to access the editor. To do this, sign into your Wix account and open your site's editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to make changes and see them in action almost immediately. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to navigate to the product page. Over on the left-hand side of your screen, click on Pages and Menu. This brings up various options, and from there, you'll select Store Pages, and then choose Product Page. When you do this, it'll display the template you can edit right in front of you. Now that you have your template ready, it's time to customize the layout to fit your style. Click directly on the product page element and select Settings. Under the Layout tab, you have a few options such as Classic, Sleek, or Spotlight. Each style offers a different look and feel, so have fun choosing the one that best resonates with your brand. Next, let's adjust the element settings to fine-tune the page's functionality. In the Settings tab, you'll see options to turn elements like the SKU, quantity selector, or even the Add to Cart button on or off. You can also customize the text for these buttons to better serve your site's tone. And here's a neat touch. You can control the visibility and settings of the social media share icons, giving your product page an extra layer of connectedness. Once you've configured the settings, head to the Design tab to edit the look of your page. This is the perfect place to get creative, tweaking the design elements such as the background, borders, product details, buttons, and text styles and colors. You have complete control to make sure everything aligns perfectly with your overall site aesthetic. If you feel like your product page could use more information or visual appeal, consider adding other elements. The Add Elements menu is your go-to for dragging and dropping additional content like text, images, or forms, creating a rich and engaging experience for your visitors. For those needing to edit individual product specifics, let's shift our focus slightly. Begin at the Wix dashboard and click on Store Products. This section allows you to choose a specific product you'd like to edit. Here, managing product options is straightforward, especially for items with variants like size or color. Simply click Edit under the desired product to manage options, pricing, and inventory for each variant. Lastly, if your product allows for personalization, such as a name or message, add custom fields by selecting Add Custom Text field when creating or editing a product. That's it for today. By following these steps, your Wix product pages will not only look fantastic, but also provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Make sure to apply these tips and watch your online store come to life like never before.